May we have the results, please?
So, I have here
Okay, so before we read the results of the special awards, may we call in first all the contestants once again to be here on stage.
contestants, please here on
Okay.
stage.
Okay, so all our contestants are already here. So contestants, brace yourselves for the first set of special awards. So we are going to read first the special award for Mr. and Miss Photogenic.
So, the winner for Miss Photogenic is candidate number 8.
Candidate number 8, Miss Photogenic. Okay. Okay, may we call in Ma'am Joy de la Cruz for the awarding of Miss Photogenic. Okay, the one who selected for our Mr. and Miss Photogenic for tonight is Jazz or Dip Studio. Once again, congratulations to candidate number 8 of our Miss Photogenic 2008.
Are you ready? Here we go.
And now, for our Mr. Photogenic. Our Mr. Photogenic, candidate number 4. Mr. Photogenic, candidate number 4.
So, candidate number 4.